Hi, this is Dave Farrington with Easy Fireproofing. This is the Blaze King MS1. We're going to show you today how to get it quick started. So when you get your Blaze King uncrated, the first thing you want to do is you want to access the electrical enclosure, because that's where your plug and your remote pendant are going to be. So take the handle and pivot it out. Then we're going to open the electrical enclosure. It's in the off position. Inside the enclosure, you're going to have your plug for the electrical, and you're also going to have your remote pendant. So you want to set those out, and then you want to go ahead and close up the electrical enclosure and put the handle back in place. Now we've got the handle back in place. We've got our plug wired up. We're going to go ahead and connect the machine. So what you want to do is you want to take the plugs, and there are two arrows, and you want to point the arrows towards each other, push it together, and turn it to the right. Next thing you want to do is grab your remote pendant, and you want to plug that in and give it a turn to the right. So now we're hooked up and ready to start the machine. Okay, now we've got our power hooked up and our remote pendant. We're going to put the load table in position, and we're going to check and just make sure that there's no debris or anything that has fallen inside before we start it. And then we're going to come over to the enclosure, and I'm going to turn it now to the on position. And you'll see that the lights have come on here now, and the machine is ready to start. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to come over here to the DC drive and make sure it's in the center position. The center position is what you use to start and stop the Blaze King with the remote pendant. You can also start and stop the machine by moving it in the start position this way, by holding it for 5 seconds.
Hit start.
Oh, shit. So you'll hold the button up to start it manually for 5 seconds. After you hit start. Shit! Alright, so to start it, we want to make sure that the e-stop is illuminated green, and you do that by twisting the knob. Make sure it's green. Right now the blower speed is set to 0, and then right now we've got the auger speed set at 70. So to start the machine, you'll press the button for 5 seconds and it'll start. Now the augers have started. The initial setting recommendation is somewhere between 70 and 90. So we'll keep it at 70. And then the recommended settings on the drive are between 45 and 55. So to change the speed, turn the dial. To change the hertz,